Hello friends, in today's video we want to look at how you can check your GV lottery for 2023 results. You want to check your status of your GV lottery. So the website is gvprogram.state.gov, gvprogram.state.gov. So here is the website. You're going to click on that and you'll see electronic diversity visa program. That's the first option, and that's it. And from here you're going to scroll down and you click on check status, and the information you need is your confirmation code, your last name or family name, your year of birth, and your year of birth. That's it. So you put your confirmation code right here. That's the first thing. Second, your last name, and thirdly, your year of birth, and you type in the code generated and you click on submit.